data is good, we understand it's important, but it's too difficult to digest, process it. It's they get bogged down with the information. What I've seen in my experience of the last 24 years, whenever the delegation is done, the results don't come. So the senior leadership needs to be involved with the information.
True.
And whenever they have delegated, the junior leadership generally has not been able to leverage the information or the vision which a senior CXO can do.
True.
But the CXO is generally scared of getting bogged down with the information.
One of the key learnings, at least from my 18 years of working, has been that so research is one of those subjects which cannot be delegated.
Mm-hmm.
So in the sense that so it has to be done by me, involving me, and executed in consultation with me. Because the nature of the subject is like that. If one were to just do it as say for example something that is delegated and in a mechanical way, research doesn't add much value. But if done in a holistic way, with involvement from senior leadership, management, and then doing it in a holistic way, I think it is a source of serious competitive advantage. So I believe in complete delegation. Almost 90% of my work, so as in my job profile, is not managed by me but by my team.
Mm-hmm.
But there are three as in facets to my job profile which I refuse to delegate, and possibly I'll never be able to delegate.
Mm-hmm.
So the one is the data gathering. So which means that I just do not allow anyone else to you getting data on my behalf or whatever. You tell me what this is about, and so one is that understanding of the business context, because that is unique to me. So hence the data which builds or corroborates or sort of rejects whatever the assumptions. So that has to be mine. The second is this whole consumer understanding. So the consumer understanding cannot be delegated. So I cannot allow somebody in my team to come and tell me, okay, this is what I think a consumer is thinking. I think needs cannot be delegated. It has to put a lot of demand on your time. So it has to be your time which has to be invested behind this, because it is core to your profession.
Sometimes it does happen that way, that too much of data also creates more confusion. So I think one has to be very clear on what is required. So at our end, we actually try to match what we require and what we are getting, and we design some formats on what is it that we require for our own decision making, what is it we require for our future predictions or profitabilities, and I think we try to focus on that data which is required for us, and filter on the data, analyze the filtered data that helps us better.
I think if you have so much experience in business, it just takes you 5 minutes to understand and assess whether it makes sense or not.
Okay.
How much investment something is going to make and how much is the possible return. I think if that is very clear, one can take informed decisions around it. And plus, you know the market landscape. You know what is competition and what is yours. First of all, you have to know what is your own strength.